Yeah. We in the car session right now. Hey, gotta touch the track. I wanna be rich. Nah, nigga, I wanna be famous plus rich, nigga. Hold up. I got dreams of being rich, you know how that go. Black Lil Mo, half a mil a show. I got dreams of being rich, you know how that go. Black Lil Mo, half a mil. Mama, I wanna be a rapper cause I heard that they ball. I don't wanna be a doctor or your lawyer at all. I wanna floss tremendous in the sight of my enemies. Do shows at the Palladium, fans they kissing me. Girls lifting their skirts up and showing their draws. Bros licking their lip, reaching up for my balls. Any nigga in his right mind to do the same, especially if you in the hood selling that cane. The only fear the habitat I'm living in take my soul, cause I'm living in the streets where niggas don't grow old. I dropped out of high school, now it's crazy, and I'm my mama's baby, now her baby's got a baby. God save me while I'm raising them, I'm growing up. I can only teach them what I know, and that's not enough, nigga. I made a lot of sacrifices in my lifetime, and I did it for the pen and the path and the rhyme. I got dreams of being rich. That's what's up. We gonna be right here. Dreams of being rich, nigga, yeah. Right now,
who y'all know who it is? Lights Out, the infamous. You know what I mean? Cause I'm not famous. I'm famous for bad shit. Right. I got making y'all niggas hate on me cause I be killing y'all.
Right.
Just hate. You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody in the A tip. I see you, big bro.
This what's up. And y'all know what time it is. Your boy Big Bronze. You know what I'm saying? Real niggas, the lions of the city is beating up. So you know, y'all stay tuned, man. We about to make some history. We gonna keep y'all every step of the way, man. Like I said, shout out to all my fans on Facebook, Twitter, MySpace. Y'all stay tuned. History in the making.